everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair and welcome back to another tutorial with the lovely Bailey.
Hello.
Because we're still in lockdown, guys, so she's stepped in yet again, haven't you, babe?
Hello.
Hello. We're going to show you today a super easy bun. It's like so easy, I reckon anybody could do it. See what you think. Let's get started. So I did a few bits out, bit of curls, put the hair into a pony, and then I just literally didn't do any back comb. I just kind of teased the sides out. Can you see? Just so it's got a little bit of looseness, but actually the ponytail is quite tight. But that is all optional. You can just grab the hair, put it into a pony. Now, look how easy this is, guys. I'm going to take this ponytail, and you don't need as much length as Bailey to do this style. I'm just going to bring it gently forward, and then I'm going to use a hair tie, or in the UK, a bobble. And I'm just going to do a couple of turns just so it's got a little bit of tightness to it. And then I'm going to pull the ponytail, but I want it coming this way, the ponytail. So it's just created a little bump there, like that. And then next what I want you to do is literally just to break this hair into 3 strands. And I just want you to do an ordinary 3-strand braid or plait. I'm going to just stop about there. And I'm just going to start to tease this braid out a little bit, okay? You haven't got to worry too much about it being all neat and perfect. So as you can see, I actually don't need all of Bailey's length now. So if you've got shorter hair, do exactly the same. Maybe make this bit a little bit smaller, the little bump bit that you created. So I'm just going to put that in an elastic there. And then we're literally just going to take hold of this. I'm going to flip this tail underneath. And we're just going to pin this over the top of that bump that we created. And then I'm literally just taking these long hairpins, guys, and just pinning these side bits down. And then you can kind of keep it really neat if you want to, or you can have a little bit of a play and just have a little bit of a tease out. So that's the style finished. I'm going to do a spin so you can see from all angles. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time for another video. Bye!